company sent me this breather for free to try it out. They're really helpful. They're a really helpful company. And if you need any assistance at all, at any point, they are right there for you. The breather promotes healthier, deeper breathing. And you only need to use it like for 5 minutes a day. I mean, come on. You can commit just 5 minutes a day to breathe better, can't you? I know I can. And it's the only drug-free device that strengthens both respiratory muscles for both inhaling and exhaling. It can help people who suffer from asthma, COPD, or other illnesses that can cause breathing issues by actually exercising the lungs to allow you to get a more fuller, deeper breath in and out. Plus, it's more affordable than other respiratory devices, which is always a plus, and it's very easy to use. It has numbers on each side for exhale and inhale, so the higher the number, the more difficult it can become, sort of like stacking weights onto your next exercise. So make sure not to clench your teeth on the device, and just take in a nice breath in and then a nice breath out. Real smooth, real easy. It also comes with access to an app called Breather Coach, which offers free guidance, individualized training based on your symptoms, and the company offers tons of training and demo videos, even though it's really easy to use. So if you activate the device for free on the website, you can actually get an extended 2-year warranty. I found this easy and kind of enjoyable.